Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I achieve this flat twist into a low bun. I am starting off with freshly washed hair as always, and I am going in with my Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Leave-In Conditioner. I'm spraying this all over my hair and just working it in with my fingers. Once I have applied that leave-in, I am going to go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I am lathering that up to just spread all over my hair. Now, I know that this product is not going to seep in my hair all the way through just by me applying it to this one bit section, but as I begin to flat twist, I am going to make sure that every twist is thoroughly moisturized. Now it is time to section the hair off. I am creating this diagonal part that is kind of in the middle of my head. All of the flat twists will be moving away from this part to create the hairstyle. I am going to section my hair off to make the process a little bit more easier to part my hair for each individual section. So now I am adding more curl enhancing smoothie to the section, and I'm working the product through. I do have low porosity hair, so it takes a lot of motioning through the hair strands to make sure that the hair is fully moisturized. I am going to follow up with my wet brush to make sure that the product is distributed evenly. Following up with this mousse, I really love the dew as it has a nice hold and it adds shine to the hair as well as definition. I'm going to continue working that product through before I begin to flat twist. I am ensuring that I twist tightly because of course I want these twists to last all week, and just because I want to make sure that they have a nice hold to them, and if I decide to take them out, I'll have a nice twist out as well. I did make sure that I coiled my ends just to make sure that it was locked into place. I did decide to angle these twists just a little bit to the center of my head so that when I pin them up, it will create a nice bun. And on to the other side, I am going to repeat this process of adding my products and making sure that I smooth them throughout my hair very vigorously because I want to make sure that my hair is thoroughly moisturized. And the wet brush helps make sure that those products are evenly distributed. And as you all can see, my hair has so much definition when the products really seep inside of those hair strands. For my first two twists on this side, I am doing them straight back, but as I move forward, I will do the twist away from the part to create the ending result that you all see. When you get to the ends of your hair, you do want to make sure that the hair is thoroughly detangled. So I will use my wet brush to smooth it out, and then I will go in with my rat tail comb to make sure that all of the tangles are completely out. I did tie my hair up overnight using this do-rag. I know it looks crazy, but it really got the job done. So my edges will be laid and my hair is completely dry so that I can pin up the back and the style will be complete. So I will be using the third and fourth twist from the right, and I am going to cross it over. So in total I will have 4 twists in the middle that won't get pinned up at all, and we're just going to use it to create the bun. So that is the first pin that I will put in my hair, and then I'm taking the third and fourth twist from the other side and I'm going to do the same. After that pin is in, I am going to take the first and second twist from the right and then pin it over to kind of create this basket, kind of wicker basket looking bun, and I'm going to put a pin in that and repeat that on the other side. And then I am going to take the remaining twists and kind of fold them under so that my ends are tucked away, and I am going to secure it with a few bobby pins. And here's the final look. I really enjoyed having this hairstyle, and it was really low maintenance and nothing to do in the morning but take off my bonnet or scarf. As always, I really hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. See ya!